Today, I'll show you how you can start earning with an AI trading bot, even if you have no experience in trading. Watch this video until the end, and in just a couple of hours, you'll be able to replicate my results. Let's get started. Though each trader on my team who uses my trading robot can choose the market that suits them best, there are three options available: the Forex market, which operates on weekdays; the internal pocket option market, also known as the OTC market. By the way, I'll be doing a review of the crypto OTC market later this week. Right now, I've selected and opened the OTC currency pair market. The trading robot has 31 currency pairs available, where you can get signals from the most popular ones to less popular pairs than I added at the request of traders from my team. Now I want to start from the top of the list, so I'll choose the Australian dollar to Canadian dollar pair because it offers a good payout of 92%. Next, the robot asks us to choose the analysis time for this currency pair. This will be the same time when I open the trade, so be careful here. In the previous video, I tested one of the strategies which turned out to be incorrect, so make sure to select the time when you plan to open the trade. The analysis takes anywhere from 5 to 20 seconds, so please be patient. The trading bot suggests opening an upward trade, and I can see it's using the MACD indicator along with other indicators in its analysis. The chance of making a profit on this trade is 78%. But this number isn't always accurate. It's just a bot's opinion on how likely it is that I will make a profit with this currency pair. One very important point: look closely at the screen. I always recommend opening a trade right after receiving the signal from the trading bot, because if we look closely at the chart now and subtract the time I spent talking about the signal from the trading bot, I could have opened the trade at the start of this candle and I would have had more time for closing, and it would be very frustrating if the trade closed at a loss between the entry point now and the possible entry point I could have opened earlier if I hadn't been talking about the signal the trading bot gave. So be careful and open the trade right after receiving the signal. A great $552 comes from the first signal of the trading bot. Yes, the trade closed on the edge, but it closed in profit, which is good. I suggest moving on the next currency pair with a good payout of 92% is Swiss franc to Japanese yen. Next, it's the same as with the previous signal. We go to the trading bot and get a new analysis. 1 minute of your time. I want to remind you about my Telegram channel, where I regularly share educational materials, trading tips, and insightful articles about the Forex market. But for those of you who are serious about leveling up your trading game, I offer an exclusive opportunity to copy my trades directly through the platform's social trading feature. This means you can stay active in the market even while you're relaxing at home. My trades are mirrored instantly on your account, so you profit alongside me. If you want to know exactly how to connect to social trading, just send me a direct message. There are a few simple requirements, and this feature is available to everyone. My contact info is right below this video. Now, let's get back to the strategy. I get the second signal for a sell with an 86% profit probability. It's a good signal, so I open the position right away. If we look closely at the chart here, we can see a good downtrend. There were many levels where the price reacted and continued falling. The last sideways movement on the chart didn't give any result, and after the price dropped from it, it continued going down. I'm confident that I will make a profit with this asset because it's clear, even to the naked eye, that the price keeps falling. A good exit from the entry point brings me another $552 in profit. I'll raise the trade amount to $800, and the next currency pair is Australian dollar to Swiss franc. Right now, I'm choosing popular currency pairs that are 100% available in the trading bot, but it's best to prepare a list in advance, add them to favorites, and check if these pairs are in the trading bot so you can quickly open a trade after receiving the signal. So the next signal is for a buy with an 82% profit probability. Once again, I want to say about this figure, it is just conditional. I try not to take currency pairs with a profit probability lower than 50%, but this does not mean that a high figure guarantees the trade will close in profit. So be careful, the trading bot is just an additional tool for daily trading, and traders on my team use it purely as an assistant or if they miss trading sessions in my Telegram channel. You can also go ahead and subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description under this video, where I share my experience, share my thoughts on the market, and give trade recommendations for opening positions daily on weekdays. Anyone who wants to earn more can join my team and become one of my students. Literally in the last seconds, I just missed closing this trade with a profit, but it's okay. And of course, the price is going in the right direction. It's frustrating. But let's move on. I'm cleaning up the list of already traded currency pairs, and next in line is Euro to US dollar. If you make a loss, first of all, don't use the martingale strategy. Always take the next currency pair and get a new signal accordingly. If you're doing the analysis manually, take the next currency pair and analyze the new one. This is the right approach. And most importantly, take currency pairs with the same or similar payout to the one you lost on earlier, or at least close to that, so you can get the smallest gap between loss and profit on the new currency pair. A 51% probability of making a profit is a rather low figure. I need to cover my loss, so I won't take the risk, and I'll take the next currency pair, Australian dollar to US dollar, here with a 92% payout, and I'll see what happens with it. The signal has been received. The trading bot recommends buying with a 71% profit probability. This signal works for me. I'm doubling the amount to cover the losing trade, and I open the position. Let's take a closer look at the chart. We have a good level here where the price previously reacted with a decline, and now we can see the price trying to approach and test this resistance, judging by the small sideways movement where accumulation is happening at the moment by buyers. Soon, the price will move to test this resistance. Let's watch and see what happens. $1,472 brings me profit and fully covers my previous loss. My balance is now just over $9,000. Now it's time to reduce the risk, so I'll set the amount for the next trade to $900. So the next currency pair, let's take Canadian dollar to Swiss franc, 91%. The trading bot recommends opening a buy trade with a 52% profit probability. I don't want to take the risk, so there are other currency pairs to choose from, and I will move on. Euro to Turkish lira, here we see the situation is even worse, 42%, so definitely need to take the next one. Euro to Swiss franc is not in the list at all. Maybe it knows that it's time to stop, but let me check. There are still a few currency pairs left with a good payout. Damn. This is getting funny here. The profit probability is also too low, so I'll have to skip this currency pair. I'm taking another signal. If it doesn't work for me again, I'll be finishing trading for today and saying goodbye to you. Finally, the trading bot recommends selling with an 80% profit probability. RSI is in the 67 zone, which is near the overbought area. Let's take a look. A pretty good upward movement with almost no correction. The price has been moving in the channel for a long time. There was a small consolidation at this level. I think there will be a return to this level and then a move further along the trend. So I expect this trade to bring me profit, and I'll be finishing trading for today. That's enough for today. The last trade brings me $810 in profit and about $2,500 I earned during this trading session on the OTC market with my trading bot. There were many signals that I couldn't enter, unfortunately, that I stick to my strategy and skip them. The link to the trading bot will be in the description under this video. You can also find the link for registration on the Pocket Option broker, and a very rare promo code we get for the team every month. It's 100% on the deposit. Hurry up and use it because the number of activations is limited. That's it, friends. I'm saying goodbye. I wish you profitable trading weeks and see you soon.